much play the Chinese card in here and
Chinese card?
oh, you wanna learn? We can play together. It's really easy.
Very funny.
Yeah.
おはようございます。シュラフ石田です。止めてくださいは基本的に1日でありがとうございましたなんですけど、たまに連泊するパターンもあったりします。今回は今までで一番連泊したお家のお話になります。果たして何泊したのでしょうかみたいなところを予想しながらお楽しみください。当然1本でまとめきれなかったので何本かのシリーズになります。ということで早速どうぞ。はい、ということでジャーイにやってきました。こちらはですね、阿里山という台湾でも有数の観光地の近くにあることもあって結構賑わっている印象を受けます。今日は、こちらのカルフール夜市という夜市で、止めてくださいをやっていこうかなと思います。ジャーイの皆さんよろしくお願いします。I'm going. This you can read.
I don't.
So this means may I stay in your house one night? This means so I am a homestay traveler. All days I stay in Taiwanese people house. This way.
Oh, where are you from?
Japan.
Oh,
Are you from
I'm from Russia.
Russia?
What do you plan?
My plan?
Yeah, after Taiwan.
After Taiwan, maybe I go to Philippines.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
When?
About after 1 month.
After 1 month.
Yes. But I think I want to ride on Siberia Trail, in Russia.
I and my friend today meet.
Meet
We will sleep together.
together in park.
Yes.
Ooh, use hammock
Hammock?
all day.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's not. It's okay.
Oh.
I have sleep bag. Do you know sleep bag?
Yes, I know.
You have sleep bag?
I have sleeping bag.
Oh, go sleep bag and in hammock. Okay, very okay. But every morning, all Taiwanese people in park.
Yes. Stretch.
Yeah,
Yes.
music.
Very loudly.
Yeah.
So now you walk around this night market, have dinner. You. Now.
I sell my picture, my photo.
Yes. Here.
Yeah, I will go maybe here and maybe I can stay here if you don't. Okay.
No problem. オッケー。
Okay, thank you.
谢谢。
Okay.
Okay.
2 kilometers.
This is many people here.
Yeah.
Night market.
Yeah, you saw.
I see. Okay.
Okay, you.
I can't stay. So, something. はい、ということで、2.5 キロ、離れた別の夜市で仕切り直しです。よろしくお願いします。よいしょ。Tomorrow? No plan. Yes, no plan. Okay. 好，谢谢。OK， 谢谢。よいしょ。OK。谢谢。
But a little messy because we made cake by ourselves and sell.
は
So really messy.
あ、ケーク。
Yeah, cake. 猫
cat.
Yeah, you can sit here and later go upstairs. party like we eat pizza and play game.
はははは
Yeah,
は。
so if you want to join, you can stay after tomorrow.
お
I think maybe you can stay one more night. Up to you because we just make cake and do nothing. Do nothing.
ー。No problem, no problem.
Because lately, usually we sell the cake in Wenhua Street. You
Ah,
in Wenhua
I
Street.
yes, yes, yes.
You stand over there. Yeah, but lately, because China feel full also. So and also so many police officers there, so we didn't sell cake in there. So
あ
lately we just make birthday cake.
あ。ははは
Yeah,
は。
and the customer they will come here and take
ははははは。I see, I see.
like this kind.
ああ、
They
へ
gave
え。
us picture, they give picture and then we draw it, or if they have anything they want and we just put on the top.
ハッピーバースデーケーキ。
Oh yeah, birthday cake.
はい。
Oh, where you come from? In Japan
あ
City?
東京。
Tokyo.
東京。ニア東京。
Oh, I like Kyoto more.
あ、京都。ああ。京都 is very nice. I most like in Japanese city.
Oh,
Kyoto is very nice.
so many history
Yeah,
and
temple.
and the more peace in there.
うん。
But
Yes.
compare the Tokyo to fast, but actually I like also, but just
Yes, yes.
people
Kyoto.
more cold to.
Yes, yes.
But once time I buy something in market
うん。
and the people.
うん。
Arigato
あはは
gozaimasu.
は。
And after I take it, may I ask what? More like she change face really
Yes, yes,
fast.
yes, yes, yes.
It's really fast. Scare me. 吓到我，其实 I buy the like a pudding.
うんうんうん。プーディン
She
グ。
didn't give me spoon.
ああ、very fast.
And ask, where my spoon? Can I take one? And what?
何ですかって。あ、my name.
Yeah, your name.
My name is マサル。
Masan.
マサル。
Masan.
はい。And you?
Meow.
ミャオ。ミャオ。
Yeah.
ミャオ。
Meow.
はあ。ミャオ。
Meow.
ベティ。フェティ。フェティ。フェティ。オッケー。
Betty.
ミャオ。フェテ
Betty.
ィ。
And another girl is Gua.
グワー。
Fred.
ああ。
Gua.
グワ
Yeah.
ー。オッケーオッケー。
It's really easy, right?
Yes, yes, very easy.
Easy to. 3 4.
3 フロア。オッケー。ああ。はい。ほい。
Her name is Tokira.
テキーラ。
Tokira.
はい。おお。 こっち。はあはあはあはあ。ああ。トイレ。トイレヒア。オッケーオッケーオッケー。はあはあはあ。オッケー。谢谢。
We often play the Chinese card in here and
Chinese card?
oh, you wanna learn? We can play together. It's really easy.
Very funny.
Yeah, it's really, really, really easy. You
ああ。
know this?
Of course.
Totally.
You know?
Why?
Maybe Japanese young people, Japanese university men's very like.
大学的时候会玩。
This is Japanese say 麻将.
Yeah, Chinese also.
Also, the very popular game in Japan.
すごい、join.
Join.
Maybe you really good.
没有那个大门酒。看。
啊，
すごい。哇嘛，你们先问他他会不会。
You this すごい right?
すごい。
一番。
一番。
です
本当に？
麻将一番。
麻将。お、yes yes yes.
Okay.
ちょっと
ちょっと待って。But we
16?
we not good. We not good.
Oh, maybe
I'm Chinese. You first.
no, yeah, ポン。
吃碰。吃
Yes, I know. But,
But.
three?
哎，ちょっと待って。4、6、8、10、11、12。
14、
啊，yeah, three.
Three. Yes, okay.
OK? あー。
哇！
あー、はははは。OK, OK, 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 OK. I see, I see, I see, I see.
OK，ちょっと待って。
OK.
他真的会吗
She asked you really
Really understand how to
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, of course, of course, of course.
他一心想说我都没碰啊。
え
哎，
涂了。
えこれ、OK?
OK
OK, 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 OK. I understand. No, ファ。OK.
Good.
40。
40。谢谢。OK。はい、おやすみなさい。はい、ということでこんばんは。シェアハウス的なところで一晩お世話になります。ありがとうございました。ゴローン。はい、こんな感じで旅をしながら動画を作っています。もし何か思うところがあれば、チャンネル登録、高評価、低評価、何かリアクションを取っていただけると嬉しいです。ということで、ご視聴ありがとうございました。